So the glass is this material, and we're just going to put glass for that one. Now this is going to be the standard materials. This is just going to be the standard lamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press G. It's going to move this one to the side, and I'm just going to press Shift D, and then I'm going to make a new one. So this one we want to make some patterns on. So to change the colour, you want to change the emission. To change the glass, you want to make a new type of glass. Now I don't like how rough this glass is, so I'm just going to change the roughness on it. But as you can see, it changes the other glass as well, so this needs to be its own material. So we're going to leave the default like that. Just press Control Z just to undo do any of those changes. So we're going to go with the glass. We're going to press this double page button here. This will be the new glass for this one, and we can see that it's the new glass for this one because it's just changed colour. So you just press this little tab right here next to the X, and then that will make glass 001. So we just want to call this glass 2. Okay, so starting with this lamp, we're going to go with Veroni texture. So we're just going to place this right here. We're going to go to colour, and you'll notice that this glass kind of changes this funky shade of different colours and stuff, textures. So you can make this as large or as small as you'd like. So what we're going to do, we're going to go add, and we're going to go bump texture. Just place your bump texture in there. Just put your colour to your height. And so we're going to get this little pattern right here. So what you want to do, you notice that we're getting little cracks. I don't know whether you can see that on the recording. Hold on, just let it render in just a little bit. So notice like this little hairline cracks right there. So I mean, you can make this as big or as small as you want to, but for this, I'm just going to turn the roughness down a little bit. Just brings those cracks out just like tiny little bit more. You can also mess with the IOR, which is a good thing on this. So now we're going to go with colour ramp. We'll go straight into that. So now we've kind of got this grey, white colourings. So what we want to do is add a colour to this lamp. So maybe I'll go with green. I'm just going to turn the IOR down a little bit so it kind of looks a little bit more glass-like. And I'm going to just auto shade that smoothness a little bit more. Now you can put more smooth into it if you want to. So you'll notice that the light is quite dim. If you go to your emission, you can turn this up. But what I would recommend is duplicate your emission and then do it, because otherwise you'll be messing around with the rest of your lamps. So now, if I just move this across, we're going to get a lamp that's a little bit brighter. Let's see. It's taking its sweet time just to move things around here. Okay, so this is what we've got right now. At the moment it's just loading in some of the lighting. So what we can do is we can go to the glass, and you notice that the glass is really dark. So what you can actually do is like take the white and just move it across a little bit. You can also turn the roughness down if you want to, so that you've got more of a glass kind of shape. Now you notice that this glass is pretty dark, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take away this black on here. Excuse me. And now we've kind of got more of a little glass thing going on. So at the moment, I think I'm going to adjust this just a little bit. So the IOR, I would say just experiment with it a little bit and see what you can do. Yeah. So that's the outside of the glass, that's the reflection, and then when you come and you lower it, that's the inside kind of thing. So it takes a little bit of play around with it, but yeah, generally that's the cracks one. So you can actually put the roughness up if you want to, because obviously this is very mirrored. And if you put the roughness up, this is what happens. The render's a little bit slow on this. But yeah, you get the general idea.